Hello everyone. So today's agenda will be to discuss this Leetcode daily problem, largest local values in a matrix. So basically in this problem we have been given n cross n integer matrix which is called grid, and basically we have to create another matrix max local of size n minus 2 cross n minus 2 such that max local of I of j is basically equal to the largest value of the 3 cross 3 matrix in grid centered around the row I plus 1 and column j plus 1. So for example, in this we have been given, I guess, is 4 cross 4 matrix. So here we can form two 3 cross 3 matrices. No, not three, four 3 cross 3 matrices. One is this, another one is this, another one is this, and another one is this. So first matrix is centered as you can see 1 comma 1. Second matrix will be centered at 1 comma 2. Third matrix will be centered at this is 2 comma 1, and second matrix will be, I mean, fourth matrix will be centered at 2 comma 2, right? So this is a very fairly simple problem. I'll just code it out, but I'll just want to say if I have a matrix I comma, I mean, matrix centered at I comma j, then, and we have a 3 cross 3 matrices, right? So what are all the elements that will be present in the matrix that I want to bring to light? So basically all the values will be, all the basically the points will be I plus 1, then j minus 1, I minus 1, j minus 1, and then I minus 1 j. Okay, not really. So basically the if I like create the whole matrix 3 cross 3 matrix, it will be I minus 1, j minus 1, I minus 1 j, I minus 1 j plus 1, then I j minus 1, and then I j and I plus 1, sorry, I j plus 1, and the last row being I plus 1 j minus 1, I plus 1 j, and I plus 1 j plus 1. So as you can see, the center of the matrix is I comma j. So basically what we are going to do is iterate over like all the elements in the matrix grid, in matrix that we have been given, that is the grid, and we are going to check if this can be a center of any 3 cross 3 matrix, and if it can be, then we will just take the maximum of all these values and store it in some other, I mean, our answer matrix, which is called max local. So yeah, so the size of the grid, I mean the n, will be given by grid dot size, and our answer will be called max local, which is n cross, I mean n minus 2 cross n minus 2 vector, n minus 2 vector, right? So basically 2D vector, and then I'll iterate over all the elements in the matrix. And now I'm going to see if this vector, I mean this I comma j, can be a center that of a 3 cross 3 matrix. And how do I do that? First condition being, if I have I, right? So if I have I, then, and it is a center, so there must be at least one row above it. So I cannot be 0, so I has to be greater than equals to 1, and also there must be another row below it. So n minus I should be greater than equals to 2. N minus I should be greater than equals to 2. Similarly for the column part, there should be at least a row to the left of j, so j has to be at least 1, and there should be at least one row to the right of j, so n minus j should be greater than equals to 2. Once these conditions check out, that means this I comma j can be a center of a 3 cross 3 matrix in the grid. So once I have that, so I can say max local of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. Why am I doing this? Okay, sorry, it should be I plus 1 comma j plus 1, right? So yeah, anyways, okay, no, this should be I minus 1 j minus 1. Okay, so as per the question, if I have a row I plus 1, I have a row I comma j in max local, then it means that is a center of a center of a 3 cross 3 matrix with the point I plus 1 j plus 1. So naturally, if I have I comma j in our grid matrix, so the its center corresponding point in the max local grid will be, max local matrix will be I minus 1 comma j minus 1. So yeah, and I'll just take the maximum of all the values in the 3 cross 3 matrix, which will be grid I minus 1 j minus 1, grid I minus 1 j, grid I minus 1 j plus 1, then grid I j minus 1, grid I comma j, grid I j plus 1, then I plus 1 j minus 1, grid I plus 1 j, and finally grid I plus 1 j plus 1, right? So yeah, that is mostly it. This should logically run. Yep. Hopefully this runs. Okay. So yeah, that's about the problem. Thanks everyone.